Adrija, listen to the answers I am telling. Question number 1. How did the giant show his selfishness? The giant showed his selfishness by constructing a wall around the castle and not let the students to come and not let the children to come and play in the garden. Okay, so the giant showed his selfishness by constructing a wall around the castle and not allowed the children to play in his garden. Question number 2. What happened to the garden after the children stopped coming there? The winter came and occupied the garden or covered the garden. The garden was filled with snow and blossoms. That means flowers not blossom over there, or flowers not came out of there, and the garden went under the winter. It was covered with snow. So what happened to the garden after the children stopped coming there? After the children stopped coming there, the garden became under the cold, or winter came and occupied the garden. Okay, and all things were covered with snow and no flowers were blossomed over there. How did the giant realize that spring had returned to his garden? When the giant saw a boy was playing in the garden in a corner, and he saw that the tree was filled with flowers, then the giant realized that the spring had returned. So how did the giant realize that spring had returned to his garden? When the giant saw the corner something occurred over there. How did the giant realize that spring had returned to his garden? The giant realized that spring had returned to his garden when he saw that a boy was playing over there in a corner of the garden, and in that corner the tree was filled with flowers or blossomed with flowers. Then he realized that the spring had returned to his garden. What did the giant often speak of and remember? This one I have forgotten the story. What did the giants often speak of and remember? The giant often speak of the little boy whom he saw at the corner of the garden when the garden was filled with snow. At that time, the giant saw a little boy was playing, and that corner the spring was there, and then he allowed the children to come back and play with them in the garden, and he saw that the spring has came to that garden. So he often used to speak and remember that little boy. The question number 5. What did the giant notice about the boy when the boy returned? What did the giant notice about the boy when the boy returned? The giant noticed about the boy when the boy returned that the boy this one also I have to think. Question number 6. Who was the boy? Why do you think he returned? Who was the boy? Why do you think he returned? The boy was the god or the angel, or you can say, yes, he is an angel, and he returned to take the giant to the paradise. Okay, he came back, he returned to take the giant to the paradise.